guys, so this is everything you need to make the card. This is a messy card, yay! I'm so excited that Argentina won the World Cup. We're making a messy greeting card. I have my card base here made already. This piece of paper is 8.5 by 5.5. I just folded it in half, so it's going to stay here as our card base. I'll probably move it off because you're going to use the entire space here to build our card. So we're building this card. So there's a lot of pieces because you know their t-shirts are striped, and we're going to use this. This fits onto the base perfectly because we're going to build the card on this and then stick it on this. Because we have so many little pieces to work with, what we want to do is to ensure that we don't stick anything kind of wonky on the base. We stick it here and then we'll stick this to the base of the card, right? So let's get started with this. So I'm going to move this aside and we're going to do some cutting and some measuring. Let's start with the cutting. So I'm going to bring in my Big Shot machine and I'm going to take my black piece of paper, and what we're going to build now is the color or the neckline for the card. You need 4 circles, 4 circle dies. Literally put these nesting circle dies inside of each other just like this. There's no real great measurement here. All you have to do is put them so that they fit perfectly into each other. I'm gonna drop my top here. This is what you want. You want 2 of these, this one and this one, right? So you're gonna keep this one for another project that you may have. I'm just gonna throw it over there, and we're going to cut just a circle, a white circle. Keep it there as well, and that's it for our circle dies. Now we're going to keep our Big Shot close by, so I'm just going to rest it aside here, and I'm going to do some measuring on this piece of paper because then we're going to cut this, because their shirt has a really nice oval kind of curved shape, so we're going to use a oval die to do that. Let's measure this piece of paper. So I only just remembered my mic, so if I was a little low before, I'm just going to repeat what I did. Right, I measured the middle. This is 4.25 by 5.5. I measured the center here at 2 1/8. Then I put a 1/2 inch at the center and I made a mark at 0 and 1. Then I measured down the sides at 1/2 inch and 1.5 inches. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my oval die and center it at the 1.5 inch mark. So how do you know it's centered? So I'm seeing the marks, so make sure you can see the marks. I'm going to just measure from the top here and make sure it's 1.25 inches, and I'm going to do the same thing on the side, and yes, it's 1.25 inches. And now I'm going to use some washi tape that I have cut and prepared here already. I'm going to bring back in my Big Shot machine, which we had right in the corner there, and I'm going to put this in and I'm going to cut this piece of paper. So you're just passing it so you can cut the top alone. If I had run it straight through, it would have cut the bottom too. So we don't want the bottom cut, just the top, right? So I can put aside all my dies now. We're done with all the die cutting that we have to do today. So this is the top of your shirt. This is the bottom of your shirt, right? Now let's do some cutting to formulate the top here to make it actually look like a t-shirt. And then we're gonna start actually building the shirt. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna cut from this mark here to here. So I'm gonna stick this in here like so. So now our shirt looks rounded on the corners as it should. And then we're going to take our ruler and mark the center here at 2 1/8. So we're going to start building our shirt now. We're going to take one of these and we're going to mark it at 3/8, because there's 1 2 3/8, 1 2 3/8, right? So now I'm going to bring in my T-square ruler, which helps me get everything nice and straight. And let me center this here, and I'm going to stick this like so. So I'm going to start putting glory top here and then run down the sides. And once you measure one, you don't have to measure the rest because it's because then you use this to measure it. So I'm going to stick it down like so and stick it there. Then I'm going to put my T-square ruler in, make sure it's flat on the side, and push it towards the ruler so that I know it's right. That's proper done there. Now I'm going to grab my eraser and erase this little mark I made here. Right. Alrighty. And now I am going to continue building the stripes of the shirt. So I'm going to take another one, put it here, put glue here, and I'm going to stick this on this side and pushing it towards the blue. And let's continue building this shirt. Right, so the shirt, you see that? Look at that. Oh, so pretty. So it looks like this. So this is how the shirt looks, and it's stuck down well. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut off all the excess pieces. So let's continue building this card. I'm going to take this now and I'm going to hand cut this one. And it's going to match perfectly with this. Look at that. See, no issues there. And let's continue building the top of this shirt. So now I'm going to build the top of this side because this is finished, right? You just have to put the decorations on it now. So for this one now, you need all these little tiny pieces. So I'm going to start designing the top of the shirt here by adding these strips, the shoulder strips that they have. Anybody knows this team know there's amazing shoulder strips on top of the of all these shirts. That's so pretty. And we're going to put these in now. You're going to stick it from the end here, leaving some space because you don't have to go all the way to the top, right? That's perfect. Now you could cut this off now. You cut it off after if you want. I'm just cutting it off now so I can use the same strip, right? So we're doing 2 whites and 3 blacks, just as this shirt looks to the front. If you look at it, it is so nice. And then a white, right, and then a black. And I'm going to keep doing this. So we have one side done. Now I'm just going to do the other side just like so. I'm going to take this and cut this off like this. This is the top of our shirt done. Now I'm going to mock up and make the color of the shirt. So this shirt is going to look like this. You see how gorgeous that looks already? So we're going to stick this down like here. And we're going to bring this color down here. Let me tell you how far down you're taking it. So you're going down exactly 1 inch. Awesome. And you're going to center it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this now and I'm going to put it on top like so. Right? Then I'm going to hold them together and I'm going to mark with my pencil like this and like this. So you can see them together. I'm going to grab my tweezer and take it up so it stays together. Alright, it's going to stay together. And we're going to cut these like so, just as it looks here. And this is the color of your shirt. You see that? It's perfect. Right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this to the back, because obviously this is the back. So I'm going to just put a dot to glue here, a dot here, and I'm going to join these like so. And then I'm going to put this in here, like so. And I'm going to, right, so now we're going to cut that off. Right, now we're going to put these aside and build, there's actually a tag, so we're going to build that tag so it looks really authentic. So what I want you to do is I want you to take a scrap piece of just regular printing paper and put some whole bunch of glue, and then I want you to stick it, because this is just the tag, so we don't have to be exact like how we were with the rest of it. that's the sort of the tag for the shirt. Mark up your shirt on this. Do this. So you have to cut that off. And then make a mark here so that you cut this like this. Because their shirts are really fancy. And it's just not one color. There's actually a thick piece on top and then a thin piece at the bottom. So I'm going to hand cut that. Right, so their t-shirt actually, oh, it looks so cute. Okay, I got it, guys. Right, so let's build this t-shirt. So after we build it, then we're going to decorate it, which you know me. That's the fun part, right? So I'm going to put glue all over the back of this, all over the base, so that it sticks down really, really well. So, like so. Right, perfect. And then make sure it's flush, right? So it has to be flush. So that's flush and perfect. Right. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to build a little bit of this first so that I have this done. So I'm going to put some glue just to the top of here. Right, that's a little too much glue. I'm just going to spread it around and make sure this reaches the front here and it sticks down perfectly. Right, look at that. Right, stick this onto here for the tag. So now we're going to stick this down and it will fit perfectly once you follow everything I did perfectly. And now we're going to just put the color on the top and the that's it, and then it's to decorate it. And then we're going to stick this as the color of the t-shirt right here. Finally got all the prints for the artwork for my card, so I'm going to cut out everything. I'm going to start. So we have all our decorative pieces. I have number 10 for Messi, the 2 stars and the logo, the Adidas sign, and these amazing effects right here for him, right? So let's put it together.